Hello. Today we're learning about array prototype find, or the find method in JavaScript. The find method returns the first element in the provided array that satisfies the provided testing function. If no values satisfy the testing function, undefined is returned. So what this means is the find method is a method we can call on an array that's going to find the first element in an array that satisfies a testing function that we provide. So if that's not quite clear enough, let's go ahead and look at it in the console. So first I'm going to make an array. Let my array equal this, 10, 12, 25, and 42. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new variable to hold the value that's going to be returned. So we're going to say let my val equal array.find, and in here we're going to provide a function. So I'm going to write it in ES6, which is brackets, arrow, curly brackets. But we're probably not going to need the curly brackets since it's going to only be a one-line solution. So I'm just going to delete those. Now, when we call the find method, we're going to get each element of the array. Now what we're going to do is check to see if each element is over 20. And so it's going to return the first element that it finds that satisfies our condition. So I hit enter, and now when I call my val, we can see that it's 25. So the first number that's in the array that's over 20 is 25. And so that's returned. And that's how you use the find method in JavaScript.